Want to dominate the Clash Royale arena during class, but your school's Chromebook has other ideas? Don't worry, because I'm about to show you how to bypass those pesky restrictions. First, open the Chrome web store. You can find it in your apps or by simply searching for it in the Chrome browser. In the search bar, type in Kiwi Browser and hit enter. Find the Kiwi Browser. It should be the one with the bird icon. Click on it. Now, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Add Extension. Once installed, the Kiwi Browser icon will appear in your extension bar. Click on it to open the Kiwi Browser. Inside Kiwi Browser, search for Google Play Store. Go to the Google Play Store website. Search for Clash Royale in the Google Play Store and click the Install button. Once installed, open Clash Royale from within the Kiwi Browser. You might need to sign in with your Google account. And just like that, you're in. Now you can play Clash Royale on your school Chromebook. Just remember to be sneaky and don't get caught. Good luck and happy clashing.